Hey, you guys. We are live. It is Tuesday. Blessed Tuesday. Thank you for coming. Check out my lipstick. Check out my work. We're on this camera, Instagram family, and we are on this camera, Facebook family. Let's look at the outfit for today. This is corporate home edition. Okay, yes. How do you feel? We're giving it to you with the fall colors. We have our gold bands. Would look so much better if I could take this jacket off and show you. We're taking it there. Okay? Right? We're here, but we're coming back strong. How do you feel about that? I love it. Well, today is Tuesday. Natural Hair Tuesday. And since tomorrow is my birthday, woo! Yes, it's my birthday tomorrow. We are going to do something fun. We are going to put some clip-ins in our hair. I just took my hair out of Touche and Twist. Remember, I was wearing my wigs this week. So I want to show you some natural hair clip-ins, right? We're matching our hair up with the texture. Pam. It's going to be so awesome. And we're going to just put this in our hair. So I'm excited. Welcome, you guys. Just remember, it's Alopecia Awareness Month, the month of September, which I'm so excited about that because I love hair. I've always loved hair. I was always doing my hair when I was a kid. And so, you know, when people are recognized, for their hair problems, their issues, thinning, balding, just hair loss, I think it's an important time to reflect. And, you know, those who are affected by it, even though sometimes it seems like a solid, silent suffering for some people, we are thinking about you. So I'm excited. I'm always excited when we have hair tips to show you guys. So let's do it. Okay, in order to put these clip-ons in, what do you need? I use some scissors to cut the bundle. Bundle was like this. Cut off the little clips. You need some scissors. You also need these little clamps, butterfly clips, to hold your hair in place. And if you don't have your hair parted already, you're going to need a rat tail comb. So remember, keep your curls hydrated. Drink some water. Let's take off our glasses and let's get into it. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys for being here. We're about to do our hair. Okay, so I already feel as though my hair is going to fare better if I start from the bottom. So I'm just going to straight away take the first jaw clamp, butterfly clip, and come around. I love this hairstyle on me, you guys. This is like one of my signature looks for my face, like to have it all on one side. So hey, hi bestie, hey Habibi. Okay, so we are gonna take our clips and we're going to open them up. Okay, I have one that's kind of jammed, but it's open now. All right, and you're just gonna take it to where you want it to start and clip it in your hair. I'm so excited about this, guys. Close it. Coming around, close it. Coming around, close it. Right? Love it. Let me grip this one tighter into something. Close it. Now we're going to take some of our hair down, right? And do the same thing with another one. So you guys, I'm just so excited that it's my birthday eve today. I am living my full complete year on this earth, another full complete year. So I'm so thankful about that, you guys. Just so happy. And I'm glad that I get to share it with all of you. If you're here, if you're present, you know, you're alive. You're alive in your world doing what you need to do. So same thing Have another one.
I just hope it's as fun and meaningful for you as it is for me. The Michelle Obama podcast
And I'm
is a
coming.
Spotify original podcast.
Snap.
Listen to the series
Do we see the magic? Snap. Snap. Oh wow, that's so nice. It's giving me a nice full curl. We have one more, you guys. So easy. This one needs a little something right here. Okay, we're just gonna clamp it down. Clamp it down. This is so fun. It gets smaller and smaller, right? Oh my goodness, I'm loving it. Now remember, our hair is already parted over here, but we have one more piece. This one is short too, so I wonder where I'm gonna put it. I'm playing a birthday mix, you guys, on YouTube. It's the one that has 2 Chainz. 2 Chainz and Kanye West as like the cover, the first song. Now with your clip-ins, you just have to make sure that you blend and that you hide the tracks. Now this isn't very hidden up here, so I'm gonna have to find another place to put this one. So maybe I can come back on the bottom over here if it doesn't look too long, right? We want to make sure it looks a little even. Give it a little more length. Snap. Just got to work it in there where you can. Snap. And I can come down. I'm going to open up some of these curls. This is the Kinky Curly, you guys. Kinky Curly clip-ins. You can get these on the website. Like, I absolutely love this style. This is so elegant. This is so elegant. You know, open it up with your hands. How do you open it up? You take the strand and you pull it apart. You open up those curls so that they're not looking so hard. Because only a fewer pieces of my hair is actually this texture. The style of the curl, the twist, yes. Especially if I were to do a twist out with more defined twists. So this is that hairstyle. How do you feel? I love it. I think it's adorable. Now I get to put on my jackets. This is so beautiful. Beautiful natural hairstyle. And I don't have any hair out. No tracks exposed. It just looks so gorgeous. So now we're gonna come. How do you feel? I love it. I love it. It's so big. How do you feel? I feel like my hair completes my outfit and I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go to the office. I'm ready to go to shop. I'm ready to go to get lunch. I'm ready for a brunch. I'm ready for a meeting. I'm ready for after 5. I'm ready for a nice date. Hair together. Love it. Yes. I feel like this is birthday hair. This is totally birthday hair. And I feel like my tracks aren't going to go anywhere. So full. I love it. You can get this texture in clip-ins. You can get it in wig. You can get it in bundles. Kinky Curly. Just click on our Kinky collection. Go to shop, hit collections, and you'll find our Kinky collection. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching this quick 12-minute tutorial. 12 minutes, y'all, and I have a fuller new-do. As always, much love from Hair by Akoni. One more last announcement. This Saturday, we are going to have our second pop-up shop. We're popping up in Duncanville at Sky Nails again. We're asking all business owners to participate. It's a 2-day Saturday and Sunday pop-up. So you as a business owner get the opportunity to vend in the community of Duncanville. And we're so excited. We have nails getting done, lashes getting done. We have somewhere for you to shop for clothes, somewhere for you to shop for hair, somewhere for you to shop for masks. Come out and also be a part of it. I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much. May this be the most blessed new year that I have thus far, and may you guys have the most blessed day. It's Hair by Akoni, y'all. I'll see y'all soon. Bye.